Your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, you'll notice we've got some rainfall starting to bloom in this sector across the lower Ohio Valley. A little cluster down here in southern Illinois and little bits of rain bubbling up here. And this is going to increase as we get into the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. And as this precipitation moves into our area and kind of encounters a dry, cold east wind, it's going to be kind of a mix. So kind of a mix of rain, a little freezing rain, a little sleet, a little bit of snow. Again, that's tonight and through tomorrow morning. You can see a little bit of this already down in Fountain County, a little rain, perhaps a little sleet. A few little bits of snow and sleet in Boone County up through Montgomery and Tippecanoe counties, and still a little bit up here around Rochester where we've had some light snow falling, but it's been rain and a little snow at times reported at Grissom Air Reserve Base. The main system is here. It's an Alberta Clipper. It's diving southeastward, but more importantly, out here to the west, there's a core of very strong winds that will start to move eastward, and as those very strong winds upstairs at the jet stream level move over the Ohio Valley tomorrow, we're going to have a new low form about right here in Kentucky, and that will tend to enhance some of the snow as we get into, well, certainly tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, because eventually everything will change over to all snow around here. So let's break this down a little bit. Tonight, kind of a mix of everything, a little mix tomorrow, and a little minor ice accumulation, not out of the question. Again, a lot of that's going to be north of US 24, though. And then all of that will go to all snow by later tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. The worst of this will be tomorrow night. A lot of wind, snow around, and then the snow will rapidly taper off towards very, very early Wednesday morning. After 31 for the low tonight, 32 at 8 a.m. And notice we hit 35 at noon with some of that mix around, and then we start to fall as we change over to all snow tomorrow afternoon. 32 at 4. 30 at 6. Still kind of breezy tomorrow. Notice the gusts 21 miles an hour, 8, 10 o'clock in the morning, and then we decrease a little bit. Still a nice little breeze tomorrow afternoon. But by 6 p.m. tomorrow night, we're getting winds gusting to 30 miles an hour. And as the heavier snow comes in tomorrow night, the wind comes along with it. So notice some of these gusts 10 to about 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. We can get some gusts over 40 miles an hour at times with that snow. So pretty nasty in that 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. stretch. And even though the snow will be over by 6 a.m. on Wednesday morning, still some gusts up to 35 miles an hour that'll blow some of the wet snow around. So 1 a.m., 2 a.m. tonight, a little mix moving into the area, precip increasing. That'll be the case even tomorrow morning. But then notice what happens tomorrow in the afternoon. The mix starts to pull away, and we are going to all snow. Notice the blue around, and we're still in snow tomorrow night, but then the snow gets out of here, and as a matter of fact, by 5 or 6 in the morning on Wednesday, it'll be long gone, just a mostly cloudy and windy Wednesday. So tonight, up to 1/10 of an inch of ice, perhaps US 24 northward. The rest of the area, less than 1/10 of an inch of ice. Snowfall, 6 to 8, Rochester, Winamac up towards Morocco, 4 to 6, Logansport, Morocco. Remington area, 2 to 4 down to the south, Lafayette, Crawfordsville. And this is a more detailed look. 6.8 Rochester, perhaps about 5.5 by early Wednesday morning, Logansport. 3.3 Lafayette, and around 4 inches there at Fowler. 7-day forecast shows that the snow won't last long. 40 Thursday, 50 Friday, 50s for the weekend, and some showers, perhaps even a couple thunderstorms on Wednesday with 62 as we go into mid-March. That's the good news.
That is the goodest.
Yeah.
We just got to get through this.
Yeah, get through this. A little bit of a snow event here, but boy, it'll be long gone by the weekend.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Sure.
Thanks, Chad. Well, there's a longtime Colt who